Hello everyone, and I hope you're doing great. Now today we are going through titration, which is the same thing as volumetric analysis. We're going to go through the definition for titration, look at the steps in carrying out titration, and also look at a formula that is useful when doing acid-base titration. Displaying on your screen are the apparatus and materials needed to carry out titration. We need a pipette, burette, titrant, analyte, and an indicator. Titration can be defined as the process by which a standard solution, which is the titrant, is slowly added to a solution of unknown concentration, which is the analyte, until an endpoint or a neutralization point is reached. This is done in order to determine the concentration of the analyte. While carrying out titration, your first step should be to fill the burette with the titrant. Again, the titrant is the solution with the known concentration. Your next step is to use the pipette to transfer a specific volume of the analyte into a flask. Your next step is to add a few drops of indicator to the analyte. When doing acid-base titration, a very useful indicator to use is phenolphthalein. Your next step is to use the burette to slowly add the titrant to the analyte containing the indicator. Also, you should stir the flask to ensure even mixing and proper reaction. Again, you should do this uniformly and slowly. Your next step is to look carefully at the indicator, and when the indicator changes color or starting to disappear, you should turn off the valve of the burette. At this point, the reaction is at an end, or you can note that this is the neutralization point if it is an acid-base titration. Also, this point is also called the equivalence point. Your next step is to record the volume of the analyte used to bring the reaction to its endpoint. Also, you should use the data and the balanced chemical equation to determine the concentration of the analyte. When doing acid-base titration, a useful formula is MaVa divided by Na equals to MbVb divided by Nb. A quick run through of the meaning of these variables. Ma is the molarity of the acid. Va is the volume of the acid. Na is the number of moles of the acid from the balanced chemical equation. Mb is the molarity of the base. Vb is the volume of the base, and Nb is the number of moles of the base from the balanced chemical equation. All right, I hope this was really helpful, and I also want to thank you for watching this lesson, and I want to remind you that there is always something to give thanks for. At this point, I want to thank you again, and I want to wish you well, and I will talk to you soon.